The town of Chernobyl is located 16 kilometers from the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. It lies on the right bank of the Pripyat River. With the onset of summer, trees and vegetation cover the town of Chernobyl with a dense green carpet. Abandoned private homes and buildings are gradually being destroyed. The city of Chernobyl is slowly being swallowed up by nature. Your likes and comments are the best motivation for us to keep making exciting films about traveling around Ukraine. We are very thankful for your support.